Hey guys, down here at the courthouse giving you a quick update. Dylan Anderson did plead guilty this morning to trespassing. The judge did not order any additional time served outside of the 1-year probation that they have issued him. I did not make it to that. I actually went down to the airport to pick up Daryl, but apparently he had an issue with his flight or something and wasn't there. So I made it here for Duane's hearing. Duane's hearing is still in. We're just taking a quick break. He's been trying to show that the government had a unwarranted search and seizure of him, and some of the confiscation of some of the guns when he went to his checkpoint. They briefly spoke about Gary Hunt. Gary Hunt did have, or the government did have the prosecutor here that is bringing the charges against Gary. The judge said at this time they have not been able to prove that they have any jurisdiction over Gary here in Oregon, and the judge has asked that they come back with more factual evidence showing that they have jurisdiction over Gary and that Gary was aiding and abetting somebody. If they don't have jurisdiction, then they need to prove that he was aiding and abetting somebody that they did have jurisdiction over, one of the defendants here in Oregon. She said that if they cannot prove that either they had jurisdiction over Gary Hunt or that Gary was aiding and abetting somebody they do have jurisdiction over, then the judge has said that they actually need to go and take this up in a district in California and try to bring charges against him there if they do believe that he has been acting in contempt of court and that he is outside of his First Amendment. So at this time, things for Duane seem to be going well. It's really cold out here this morning. So we're just at a break, and they've been calling multiple witnesses for Duane on the phone, most of them for the prosecution, regarding what Duane has brought here with today's motion. So there's another phone call happening right now. The FBI agent who actually searched him the first time was on the phone for quite a while and did admit that he told Duane that if Duane went back and tried to help negotiate other people out, that he would not be arrested when he came back to the checkpoint. And the FBI agent admitted that was not true, and that when Duane came back to the checkpoint, that they did arrest him after telling him an hour previously that he would not be arrested and he would be able to leave through to safe passage. They said that was because they did not know that there was a warrant out for him. Apparently, a head FBI agent can tell people they're going to be granted safe passage, and as long as they don't know that they're lying, then it's not really a lie. Such a kangaroo court, it's nauseating to sit and listen. There's a couple of us here, myself, Becky, and Lee, and I have not seen Sean and Sandy yet. But we're continuing to pray that everybody does what they feel they need to do and that everybody takes their stand. So, holy cow, it's cold. So I'm going to go in. That's it. We'll do another update later. Thanks, guys.